Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of medical research, and it's all about giving our bodies a helping hand when it comes to repairing damaged swallowing muscles. Now, this might not be a topic that immediately grabs your attention, but trust me, it's a game changer for millions of people worldwide. So, let's talk about this new injectable gel that's been making waves in the scientific community. Developed by a collaborative team from McGill University and Kyoto University, this gel is a potential game changer for those suffering from swallowing disorders. And when I say disorders, I'm talking about a wide range of conditions, from stroke survivors to patients who've undergone radiation treatment for head and neck cancer. These disorders can have serious consequences, from malnutrition and dehydration to life-threatening pneumonia. Now, here's the really interesting part. Stem cells have long been recognized for their potential to repair damaged muscles, but there's a catch. Ensuring the survival of these stem cells after injection has been a major hurdle. That's where this new gel comes in. It's like a microscopic safety net, ensuring that the stem cells have the space and resources they need to thrive. In previous research, stem cells were often grouped into dense clusters, which could lead to oxygen deprivation and cell death. But this new hybrid technology mixes stem cells with biodegradable gel fragments, creating pathways that allow oxygen and nutrients to circulate freely. It's like giving the cells their own personal breathing room, ensuring their survival and functionality. The results speak for themselves. In lab tests, these hybrid stem cell clusters showed remarkable improvement in viability, outperforming standard clusters by a significant margin. And when tested in rats, a single injection led to a notable improvement in swallowing muscle activity after just 3 weeks. But this gel's potential doesn't stop there. Researchers are now exploring its long-term durability and investigating its application in treating other conditions, such as vocal cord injuries, age-related muscle loss, and even muscular dystrophy. It's an exciting development that could revolutionize the way we approach regenerative medicine. So, personally, I find this research absolutely fascinating. It's a perfect example of how innovative thinking and international collaboration can lead to breakthroughs that improve lives. And it just goes to show that sometimes the most impactful solutions can come from unexpected places. What do you think? Are you as excited as I am about the potential of this injectable gel? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.